So we will test our component to make sure that to all the life cycle of the data center, the product will not fail.
Welcome back to Parker Hannifin's manufacturing location in France. I'm Alice, and I'm here today with Amir to talk about all things architecture and how to avoid complexity at scale. So, when we're talking architecture, what does this really mean? I presume we're not talking about beautiful buildings here.
No, of course. Thank you, Alice. So we are more speaking about the capability of many components coming from diverse industry, such like the servers, the racks, the manifold, and all the electronic chips that are all bringing together with all on the infrastructure and the building, and that all need to fit together pretty quick. So that's one of the big challenge that come over.
And what are 3 key areas for teams to consider when they're building and scaling?
Focus on reliability, on easy to assembly things, easy also to maintenance, even if we know that on this market, systems are running 24/7, so we are not able to maintenance. There will be low maintenance, but anyway. So people will largely focus on easy to assembly, disassembly, and they don't want to spend too much time on this kind of specific components. That's where Parker get involved in.
And what are the key criteria for balancing efficiency with long-term serviceability?
What we need to focus clearly is how each and every component will fit together. To address that topic, we participate on Parker on a global project where many end customer and user will help to define solution. So at the end, we are pretty sure that the system will run and each component will run and fit together.
How do these different manifold and cold plate connection strategies impact serviceability and maintenance long term?
Yeah, so our component will of course fit to the system and run as much as we can, as we hope, of course. But when it came about maintaining, we are speaking about components that will have to be available during a long time. With our strong experience, we believe that our distribution network will help to define solutions for this kind of thing. But what we believe also is we don't want any failure. So we will test our component to make sure that to all the life cycle of the data center, the product will not fail.
In data centers with high density AI and limited space, what design moves can we recommend our customers to avoid complexity?
So the design move now is coming with, let's say, reducing the space, having a large flow coming. So that's kind of many challenges coming with cleanliness also. All these criteria, we'll say, has a strong impact for a manufacturer like Parker, like us. But what we can say to the customer is come to us, discuss with our engineer, discuss with our product manager, so that we start with our best component to deliver, let's say, the better system to run and to fit to their infrastructure for the end.
So, good architecture is not just about performance, it's about making systems easier to assemble, easier to service, and more reliable. Don't miss our next episode of Insight to Impact, where we'll be talking all things moving production to scale. See you next time.